Welcome to the user guide for the Auto Forward for Telegram application. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Auto Post Scheduler feature. Let's get started. Suppose I have a few messages and I want them to be automatically sent to target chats at scheduled times. First, open the task you've already created, scroll down, and locate Auto Post Scheduler. Click on it to begin setting up your posting schedule. Next, enable the feature by toggling the switch labeled Auto Posting Mode. We'll start with the interval mode, which allows you to repeatedly post messages at fixed time intervals. For example, setting Post Every to 1 will send a message every minute automatically. Now add the message IDs you want to schedule. To post multiple messages randomly, separate their IDs with commas. Here, I'll choose 2 messages. To get the message ID in Telegram, simply copy the message link and take the number at the end, after the final slash. There's also an advanced option to automatically pause real-time forwarding while auto-posting. By default, this option is enabled. Next is the Configure Delay for Target option. I'll enter the number 6, which means each message sent to the target will be spaced 6 seconds apart. This helps prevent spam detection by adding a short delay between messages. Finally, click the Done button to save everything. And you'll receive a notification on your device indicating that the posting schedule is ready. Now let's see how the auto-posting feature works. Pay attention to the timing. Since I set it to 1 minute, 2 messages will be sent each time. I'll fast forward this part to make it easier for you to follow. Pretty amazing, right? Let's move on to the next mode. Click the drop-down and select Fixed Time. With Fixed Time mode, you can schedule specific messages to be automatically sent to your target channels at the exact date and time you set. In the schedule list, add your desired time points along with message IDs for each. Tap here to select the date time, then enter the message ID. For instance, I'll set the first post at 12:53 p.m. using message ID 0. Message ID 0 means it will pull the latest message from the source chat. Next, I'll schedule 12:54 p.m. for message ID 3. Then at 12:55 p.m., I'll schedule message ID 5. And finally, at 12:58 p.m., message ID 7 will be sent. I'll leave the advanced and delay settings as they are. Now I'll click the Done button to confirm and start scheduling this task for automatic posting. Now let's see how this scheduled mode actually works. Keep an eye on the time on my device and the scheduled timestamps for the posts. Since I've set them a few minutes ahead, there might be a bit of a wait, so I'll fast forward the process and you can focus on the key time markers. Watch how precisely each message is delivered at the exact time we scheduled, down to the second. Everything runs seamlessly, exactly as configured. This isn't just a convenience, it's a powerful automation tool. For anyone managing multiple channels or time-sensitive content, this level of control and accuracy is a total game changer. It lets you stay ahead without lifting a finger. Get creative with how you use this feature, and feel free to explore it to the fullest. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.